Wind turbine blades are designed to have a 25-year lifespan to them. There are several different types of damage that can occur to a wind turbine blade: rain, erosion, sand, etc. SUNREZ has been around since 1986 and is focused almost exclusively on UV cure resins, putties, and prepregs. Our wind customers are asking us to come up with a solution to help them complete repairs quickly before inclement weather rolls in and to get towers back on track. SUNREZ UV Cure prepregs offer wind technicians a tremendous advantage in being able to complete a repair rapidly. Our UV Cure prepregs in the wind market come to the technician with the perfect amount of resin, so all they have to do is slap on the patch, roll it out, and quickly cure it with our UV light. SUNREZ began collaborating with SAERTEX several years ago when we were trying to customize and tailor the perfect fiberglass prepreg for the wind market.
A non-cure fabric is a fabric that's made with very specific layers, both density and angle, that can be stitched together so they're independent by layer and they're stronger than a woven material. These fabrics come from SAERTEX USA. They're made right here in Huntersville, North Carolina.